back, y'all.
Yeah.
Hey, now.
Well, let's end the day by playing a little game of Grade the Shade, shall we?
Yeah.
Why not?
Well, y'all, in order for Prince Harry and Meghan Markle to get married in a couple of months, the Queen has to give her official consent, and she did so yesterday, saying, "My lords, I declare my consent to a contract of matrimony between my most dearly beloved grandson, Prince Henry Charles Albert David of Wales, and Rachel Meghan, which is Meghan's first and middle name."
Well, it's kind of late in the game to give the approval. People bought dresses. There are people flying in. Hotels is booked.
Well, y'all, in contrast, when the Queen consented for William and Kate to tie the knot, she said, "Our most dearly beloved grandson, Prince William Arthur Philip Louis of Wales, KG, and our trusty and well-beloved Catherine Elizabeth Middleton." She said the first, second, middle,
bogus.
and last name, honey.
She bogus for
and
that.
she also said well-beloved.
But don't she say our trusty
Trusty.
Trusty.
and well-beloved?
And well-beloved.
She wasn't saying this black bitch here. Meghan.
You know what?
She wanted to say that, but she just
There was no decor.
You don't have to say it, right?
Yeah.
No.
Just flatline. Rachel Meghan. What's her last name?
Bogus.
You know,
She bogus. She real bogus for that
Damn,
one.
Queen.